Good morning, dear children. Today we will continue chapter 14, Live a Long and Healthy Life. Last day we studied about stethoscope, an interesting story how it was made. Today we will study about microscope. This is microscope and this instrument makes very small objects look big. अगर इसके ग्लास के नीचे कुछ रखकर देखोगे तो बहुत छोटी चीज़ें big दिखाई देगी. So that we can see them clearly. Just like the stethoscope, the story of invention of microscope is also very interesting. इसके invention की story भी बहुत interesting है. Once the owner of the spectacle shop in Holland happened to look at a fly through two lenses which were placed one after the other. The fly seemed to look very big. So what happened? The owner of the spectacle shop means चश्मे के शॉप में दो अलग अलग लेंसेज रखे थे और जब उसके थ्रू एक फ्लाई यू नो व्हाट इज़ हाउस फ्लाई देखा शॉपकीपर ने तो वो छोटा सा फ्लाई बहुत बिग दिख रहा था. द फ्लाई सीम टू लुक वेरी बिग थ्रू टू lenses. So he used this observation to invent the flea glass through which the small objects looked big. This flea glass became a big hit in Europe. When Galileo Galilei, a famous scientist, heard about the flea glass, he worked on it and improved it. So, he was the first scientist to design the first version of the compound microscope. So, if you are asked who was the first scientist to design the first version of the compound microscope, you have to tell about Galileo Galilei and learn the spelling of it properly. Over the years of improvement were made to the microscope. Now this is an important tool for all doctors and scientists all over the world who use it to examine different kinds of germs that cause diseases. So see, this is how you can look at the germs through microscope. Look at this picture. So if you put something under the microscope and look at it, you can see the smaller size of those things as bigger size. Now we study a little about machines that look inside the body. Scientists have developed many machines that enable doctors to look inside our body and develop pictures of it. So can you think of some machines which can look inside our body? Yes, some of the commonly used machines that can look inside our body are X-ray, ultrasound machine, CAT and MRI machines. All these machines are called scanners as they help the doctors to see the images of bones and other internal organs and find out the disease the patient is suffering from. All these have been of immense help in helping doctors to detect and cure diseases. So you can see here in the picture one MRI machine is there through which the patient is sent inside this machine. This CT scan, CAT and MRI can easily view inside the tissues and organs and the skeletal structure inside the body and even take proper images of those parts inside the body. Next we study about surgery and anesthesia. Surgery is a branch of medicine which deals with conducting operations on the patient's organs to treat diseases, injuries and deformities. So ऑपरेशन से किसी इंटरनल ऑर्गन में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, डिजीज़ है या कोई चोट लग गई है, इंजरी या डिफॉर्मिटीज़ है तो उसे करेक्ट करने के लिए ऑपरेशन किया जाता है. स्पेशल डॉक्टर्स कॉल्ड सर्जन्स परफॉर्म सर्जरीज. एवरी डॉक्टर कैन नॉट do surgery. Only special doctors who are surgeons can perform surgeries. They perform surgery through various surgical instruments and medicines. Surgery has been practiced in India since ancient times. However, earlier surgery was a very painful process. Nowadays, surgery has become easier for patients. Before performing the surgery, the doctor makes the patient unconscious so that he or she does not feel the pain by injecting anesthesia. So if anesthesia is injected, then that part of the body does not feel pain. It is injected through injection and then the surgery is performed in that area so that the patient feels less pain. Before anesthesia, chloroform was used for same purpose. James Simpson was the first to use chloroform in surgery. Chloroform, you know that patient can be made partially unconscious through using chloroform, but proper use of it did not perform properly, so later on anesthesia was used more. Heart transplant, kidney and liver transplants have become common these days. Now surgery enables us to live a longer and healthier life as compared to our ancestors. So what are done through surgeries? Mostly heart transplant or kidney or liver transplants are done through surgeries. Now let us study about some wonder drugs. What are these wonder drugs? They are medicines that the doctors use to cure diseases. Penicillin and antibiotics. These two are known as wonder drugs. Several diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, etc. are spread by germs known as bacteria. In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered a drug called penicillin. This drug curbs the growth of bacteria inside the body. Curbs means rokta hai. Today, this drug is used to cure many diseases caused by bacterial infection. So, why penicillin is used to? This is used to cure diseases which are caused by bacterial infection. Bacterial infection means infection caused by bacteria. What are those diseases? Like tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, etc. is caused by bacteria. And to cure these diseases, penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Later, with the advancement of technology, many such medicines were invented. They are called antibiotics. The discovery of antibiotics proved to be a milestone in the development of medicines. So, if you are asked to name any what are wonder drugs, name the wonder drugs, then you have to name about penicillin and antibiotics.